Good morning, guys. Have you had your banana today? It's the fruit of the day. So before I get into that, I'd just like to say, this is Rochelle with another informative video. Okay, here we go. So if you haven't had your banana today, why not? This little banana, it is packed with vitamin B6, vitamin C, and magnesium. Actually, it also controls your blood sugar and keeps your bones strong. So why haven't you had your fruit of the day? It's a banana. Banana, 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 banana. Okay, so with that said, also be reminded that bananas can actually, a ripe banana can actually help keep you regular. So if you have a problem with regularity, consider a ripe banana a couple times a day. Adjust it as needed. I'm not a physician. I'm not a dietitian. However, it is written. You can look it up on Google for yourself. But I thought I'd just help you out and give you a head start and give you some of the interesting facts about a banana. So, let's just peel the banana. Yes, let's just peel the banana. It's beautiful in itself. Look at that. I just love the bright yellow skin. I just happen to have yellow as my favorite color. And let's see. Now this is not an overripe banana, but it is ripe enough to be eaten. Yeah, that's good. That's good. You might want to get your banana, enjoy your banana along with me. Oh yeah. That's good stuff. So, don't sleep on it. Go ahead and have your banana first thing in the morning. Oh yeah, that's so good. So banana can also help to keep you calm in certain situations. So you may want to go ahead and start your day out early with a banana, and then at the end of the day, end up with another banana. So this has been Rochelle for the fruit of the day, which happens to be a banana. So enjoy, please enjoy. Have some. I'll see you in the next video for another fruit of the day explanation with some fun facts. Have a great day. Enjoy your banana.